you think you can get it working, dear?
Oh, yes, of course, Mama.
Why do people always give me things that are broken? It'd be nice to have something that worked for a change.
Moom and Papa will get it working for you.
My auntie said that the record was all right, though. It's dance music. She's had it for ages, but I've never heard it.
Oh, that's nice. It's years since I danced, but it seems like only yesterday. Do you remember what fun it was, Papa?
Dancing. Oh, yeah. I see.
Have you fixed it, Papa?
Ram Ranch really rocks.
Huh? I can hear music.
Doesn't sound like Snufkin.
Hot, hard, buff cowboys, their cocks throbbing hard. 18 more wild cowboys out in the yard. Big bulging cocks ever so hard. Orgy in the showers at Ram Ranch. Big hard throbbing cocks, ram and cowboy butt like a breed of ram wanting to rut.